And we have Lexi Gonzalez of Running Man Philippines working courtside for us today on this Sunday.
It's the start of the third set.
Jade Pascual nagbabalik sa lineup para simulan ang set number 3. Mondoniedo. Hentapa. Puzon. Oh! What a pancake cooked up by Hentapa. Yun nga lang, sumabit si Ondangan sa net.
Yup. Sayang. Good hustle play by Jade Hentapa on that attack. Medyo malabnaw pa nga yung pagkakapalo. But again, there was a violation.
Pascual over the blockers again, but Lopez was there. Puzon to Doguna. Popped up by Estoque from the back. Hentapa with the approach, and she loved that point.
Good setup job there. Papunta kay Jade by Cloan, and saktong-sakto yung buwelo.
Jade targeting Dolorito. Puzon. Oh no. Scary landing there by Jaja Tulang. She may have turned her ankle a little bit. Look at this fall. Ayun, she did twist it. The right ankle, she did twist it a little bit.
Ano mukhang nakatape naman si Jaja, and she seems to be okay.
Pascual with a power tip. Cloan running attack for Ondangan. Cloan to Wayland.
Too wide. Oh, there's a check.
Has a point for the Lady Blazers. Serving for Neil. Christian Duck.
What a dig right there by Jaja Tulang.
Service goes out.
Service error there for Benilde. Coach Jerry Yee. 4 timeouts called today. A season high. You know it's serious when we start counting the number of timeouts Coach Jerry Yee has called. Ooh! Wow! And Dolorito apologizes to Jade. Oh, that was a hard hit.
Sa laro.
Our score is 4-17.
It's a hard hit. Right there.
Right in between.
Oh. Yun lang.
Service error.
That's a second service error by Osada.
And aside from those service errors, she has played excellently here for LPU.
Net contact.
Well, we were wondering about the what's the word? Classification. Whether Osada is a rookie or a freshman. So when you say freshman, dito sa NCAA, we're talking about fresh out of high school. When you say rookie, first year playing in the NCAA. So she's not a freshman, but she's a rookie.
Yep. Transferee.
In other words, yun, transferee. Dolorito, her point counter is now 17.
Kumakatok.
18. So that's the official count as confirmed by one of our statisticians here.
19.
And counting.
Relax ka lang kasi. Relax lang. May dadagdag pa yan.
Substitution.
This is insane. What a game.
Against Benilde. Against Benilde.
You know how kids say buhat these days? Ito ang buhat.
Pero service errors. shooting themselves on the foot itong Lady Pirates.
Heart Bio gives LPU a 2-point lead.
Smart play right there by Puzon. Bio just tapping it. And walang block support doon ang defense ng CSP.
Just love the demeanor of Heart Bio. Just relaxed, smiling, enjoying herself on the court. No pressure. Oh. Easy tip over by Mitch Gamit. Oh, and a chance ball given up. Oh, no.
Somebody's down. I think that's Cloan.
Oh, no. You hate to see this late in the tournament. Cloan Mondoñedo, slow to get up. Tignan natin kung ano ba ang nangyari dito. Okay, so she lands. I didn't see the feet, but tumama sa poste.
Might have tweaked her ankle.
Yeah, she's walking gingerly over to the bench. Ito, isa pa angulo. Oh, yes. It was a tweak. She did turn it.
Retape lang yan. And if it's going to swell, it would swell tomorrow. Pero, laban yan.
So, Lexi Gonzalez is running over there to the other side to figure out what happened. Gamit though. Oh, this is really fast work.
Oh, tape lang yan.
Lexi is as fast as our cameraman.
Kasama sa running man. Ano lang yan, re-tape lang, re-reseal. And then back to the ball game.
LPU though takes a 2-point advantage, and when we come back, hopefully we can hear from Lexi Gonzalez, who is running to her spot.
Kobe. Kobe. Kobe Mon eh.
Kobe Mon? Yeah. Meron naman sa sa NCAA. Hindi, pero syempre, you wanna invite, of course, the best basketball minds.
Oh, of course.
The best sports minds, not just in the country, but, we gotta dream big, bro.
Yeah.
So,
international.
in terms of dream guests, I've said this before, my dream guest has always been Coach Ramil De Jesus. I don't think there has been like a one-on-one.
Welcome back here at the NCAA Season 99. I'm Lexi Gonzalez, and here's an update for Cloan na natapilok dahil tumama ang kanyang right ankle sa mismong bakal ng net. But on the side naman of the LPU Lady Pirates, si Jaja Tulang has already been working with a jumper's knee even before this game. But her coach, Coach Cromwell, gave an assurance that she is okay to play and is safe. Sabi nga ni Coach Jerry, diba, from the Benilde naman, nothing's done until it's done. Kaya sabi niya, they're not losing focus until they reach the championship. Habang si Coach Cromwell naman ay nakafocus lang sa kung anong kaya nilang i-control at hindi ng kalaban. Who has control and who will say it's done, Anton and Coach Hammer.
Ready si Alexis sa running man. Kita mo,
Yeah.
medyo may konting hingal pa eh.
If you guys were wondering why it seemed like Lexi was out of breath, it's because she really was running all over the place from one end of the court to another to get all of those reports. We appreciate your effort, Lexi. Great job working the sidelines. And we hope that Cloan Mondoñedo is okay and will be able to come back to action because they need her. But right now, it's Shanae Basarte trying to steer this Benilde vehicle back to where they want to be.
Okay na yan. Pagka ganyan, nakita niya si Cloan is back. She's getting her ankles taped. And then,
mo, hinanap mo, pinilit mo pa. Sino yung nandun?
Ate Gayle po.
Hindi po pwedeng ibigyan si Gayle.
Pwede po.
Ay, ba't pinipilit mo yung maarte? Ha?
Akin po yun.
Hindi nga pa pwede yung akin-akin dito eh. Kahit 10 akin mo, 10 akin mo, wala pa rin.
If you want to compile content of a Coach Jerry huddle, all you have to do is type in NCAA Season 99, Benilde LPU Women's Volleyball on YouTube. Yun lang yung kailangan yung panoorin na video. An ace by the Lady Pirates. Wow! Mingming Puzon with a cannonball of a serve. Pascual.
Gail Pascual.
That's on the line.
Kailangan na kailangan nila yung palo na yun. Kasi parang yung laro slowly slipping out of their hands yung momentum dito sa third set. We haven't seen Benilde get challenged like this. Pero minention natin during the start of our coverage na may mga times that they look vulnerable.
Gail Pascual.
This could be good for the confidence of Chiney Basarte. Thrust into the spotlight now. All of a sudden sitting on the driver's seat, which is also a hot seat. Oh, what a save by Basarte. Problem is, she can't set. Puzon. Dorog. Now Basarte can set. She chooses Pascual. Puzon was there. Doguna. Basarte to Christy Ondangan. Lopez. Not over.
Yung palo.
4 touches for LBU.
Trying to look for a check, but not over yung palo ni Oli. Ito lang.
Our score is 10 serving 11.
Puzon. Tulang. Go. Down the line. Puzon. Back set. Pascual. Dolorito. Ondangan. Puzon. Dorog. Oh no! Getigan at Go nag-agawan.
Now serving for LBU. Joan Daguna.
A rare
Miscommunication.
moment in which Benilde was not on the same page.
Rotational error.
Oh, wow. And all this happening while Chloan Mondoñedo is on the bench with a taped right ankle that she tweaked just moments ago. Pascual. Single block by Osada.
That's a highlight. One-on-one at the net. So Osada having an answer.
For the Blazers. Number 1, Chiney Basarte out. Number 8, Chloe Mondoñedo in.
And Chloan Mondoñedo is back. Let's see how she moves. Go. Cross court. Puzon. Combination play. Attacking Mondoñedo. Puzon. Getigan. Mondoñedo back set. Pascual. Puzon. Dolorito breaks down the wall.
Clearly, the momentum is with the LPU Lady Pirates. 20 points for Joe Dolorito.
Still serving. Joan
And a 4-0 run to answer that back-to-back hits ni Gail Pascual.
Dorog. Mondoñedo to Maika Go.
Ayan na, pumapalo na si Maika. Yun lang.
No connection there between Puzon and Osada.
Christy Ondangan now serving.
Christy Ondangan. Goes on. Oh! A thunderous block
for Benil.
by Gamit and Pascual. But let's see on the replay whose arms the ball connected with.
Fight fire with fire na to, Anton. I think that was on Gail Pascual.
And did you see the form of Gail Pascual? You see how she bent her knees before rising up for the block, but a service error puts LPU ahead by 4.
Our score is 16 for the Lady Pirates, 12 for the Lady Blazers.
Basketball junkie ako eh. So, Jowo, Coach Jolie pa. Yung mga yan, yung mga old school. Kasi yan yung mga nakalakihan ko na dream. So, medyo lumalabas na yung part ako of that older generation eh. Who believe that.
Hindi ko yung generation.
Hindi mo na generation, but kayo TikTok generation. Wow! Kasama na kita. Kasi yun yung conversation natin kanina. Ako, Jaworski tsaka Jolie pa yung but again, if
The Benilde Lady Blazers have not looked this vulnerable all season long. And of course, our Mancom representatives in the VIP section, Coach Hercules Calianta of LPU, smiling because right now LPU is looking great. Micah. Pascual. Buzon says, let me do my job. Now Dolorito misfiring.
Aha, pinilit pa yung palo. Pero okay lang. That's what you want. You want them to be aggressive.
Buzon. And Tulang scores.
That's a check. Tsaka kita mo, enjoy yung LPU ngayon, Todd.
It's the right mindset. They took the pressure out. They were relaxing, meditating. As Lexi reported, they're smiling, enjoying themselves, playing free.
Weapons free eh. Yun pa yung sinabi ni Coach Cromwell eh. Okay lang magkamali dito, maglaro lang kayo.
Goes on to Pio.
Oh, second power tip by Pio.
LPU's heart is beating.
Nakita mo ramdam mo yung ang gaan ng laro nila ngayon.
20 points for Jonah Dolorito. And she is this is actually the 26th time that a player has eclipsed the 20-point mark or reached the 20-point mark this season. Who's on? Doguna!
So gumagana yung triple J's na itong ng LPU rather. Jaja, Jo, and Jonah. Kargado yung mga possessions na nakukuha nila.
The number 4 and number 5 score. Doguna and Dolorito. Dio. Getigan was there. Go from the back row. Micah with a pass. Toro down the line. Check ball ba?
That's out.
Ball goes out.
Wala. No check.
Timeout, Lady Blazers.
Kanina ko pa sinasabi sa'yo, may 9 ka eh. Kailan ka gumamit ng 9? Kailan? Wala pa rin. Gusto mo yung gusto mo eh. Yan ang hirap sa'yo eh. Gusto mo lang yung gusto mo eh. Sisilip kayo na may butas. Kung may butas, gagamitin nyo. Hindi pa pwedeng hindi. Ay pipilit nyo gusto nyo. Inihintay kayo sa likod.
That was timeout number 6 called by Coach Jerry Yee here in season 99.
Our score is 27-14.
Wow, I have never seen the Lady Blazers this tense the entire tournament. Mondoñedo. Dorog on the drop.
Chesadoro.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Jerry. Off the timeout. Gamitin niya yun. Nice.
Serving for Benil. Mitch Gunn. Substitution for the Lady Blazers. Number 18, Christy Ondaman out. Number 21, Sam Nolasco A.
Zam Nolasco returns. Gamit at the service line. Who's on? Mondoñedo to Dorog. Who's on? Dorog on the drop. Back row. Micah Go with a back row hit of her own. Micah Go gives up a free ball. Who's on? Wow, Micah Go showing us some season 97 MVP type defense. Wow.
Sam Nolasco.
Credit half of that point to Micah Go, who is cleaning up nicely from the back row.
Ito na yung challenge na inaantay natin. Ito na siguro yung breaking through the wall moment ni Micah Go. Kasi mas komportable na siyang gumalaw ngayon. It's the first time that I saw her move like this season.
Side to side. Going down. Wow. Micah showing us that excellent floor defense that she put on display during her MVP year.
Tag goes out.
And because of that defensive leadership by Micah Go, Benil is showing signs of life. Back-to-back points for the ladies in white and green.
Kalma. Sabi ko, di ba, laksan yung palo. Pero, dapat may selection pa rin. Saan ka advantage? Yan. Oh, malakas umampas. Malakas umampas. Oh, todo mo.
Horizon 3, 1, 2, 3.
Todo mo. Yun lang talaga kailangan.
Mitch Gunn still serving for Benil.
Kasi medyo pumipick up na nga yung depensa dito ng Benil.
Who's on? Oh, wow. Micah Go is... Oh, that time, napako na yung paa. But prior to that, Micah Go was showing us some flashes of that floor defense that she showed us during the MVP year she had in season 97.
Tsaka nag-iba yung mood niya bigla. Tingnan mo yung the way that she's locked in right now.
Yeah, she has that look in her eyes right now. Mondoñedo, Nolasco, oh no! Miss-hit.
4 touches for the Lady Blazers. Our score is 22-17.
Mondoñedo, Dorog. Now Zam gets it. Oh, but she crossed and touched the net. So that's 2 straight errors by Nolasco. And Mondoñedo saying mine. Oh! Lopez with an ace!
The Lady Pirates are now on set point.
Set point na rito ang LPU and the confidence of this Lady Pirates at an all-time high.
Nolasco on the drop.
There you go.
Sam Nolasco. Mondoñedo serve.
Mondoñedo. Ace.
That's an ace!
Ito rin yung kagandahan naman dito sa Benil. Laro lang sila ng laro. They don't care about the score. They will just continue on chugging along.
Timeout, Lady Pirates.
Eh! Okay lang! Okay. Sige, pasahan ulit. Okay, Hero. Bibigyan ka ni Mingming. Atakehin mo yung pinakamalakas na magagawa mo, ha? Jo, tigasan mo yung atake mo. Bigay mo lahat. Girls, battle of tapang lang to. Okay, patapangan na to. Natindihan, bigay!
Wala nang instruction si Coach Chrome. Basta bomba na lang kayo dyan. Di pag binigyan kayo ng bola, kung papalo kayo, kailangan buong-buo yung loob. Talaga. Tama eh, patapangan na lang eh. Kasi pag medyo nagpakita ka ng konting takot, chichibugin ka ng Benilde.
Not over.
4 touches for LBU.
So that's another set point saved by Benilde. Montoniedo pulls on. Doguna breaks down the wall. And LPU could be a set away
That's the end of the third set.
from
Our score is
stunning
25-20
the defending
favor of the
back-to-back
CFW
champion
Lady
Benilde
Pirates.
Lady Blazers
They now lead the game
as
2
they
sets to
lead
1.
2 sets to 1. We will be back for set number 4. This is NCAA Women's Volleyball.